Good morning, class 6 students. This is Karan sir, and you are watching Fact Spin Talk. Today we are going to take that part of the chapter ahead today in this video lecture. Please open your book on the page number 119, and we are going to take this chapter ahead today. So what happens? Let me tell you one thing, that we have already studied that what is greed. Suppose that this is the globe and some lines like this, these are the latitudes, the lines going like this from west to east direction, these are latitudes, and lines coming up from up to down, these are longitudes. So these longitudes and latitude, when they intersect each other, they build this sort of blocks, this sort of houses, small blocks. So these are known as greed. Okay, these are known as global greed. What is this? Global greed. Keep that in mind, global greed. These greeds are very important in locating, finding, and searching some place on the earth's surface. So there is one more thing is given here. So prime meridian. Let me tell you what is the prime meridian. Suppose that this is the globe. So the line which intersect the globe into two halves, in the western hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, this meridian, this is become the 0 degree longitude. This is 0 degree longitude, and this becomes very important in determining the time all over the world. So what happens? This 0 degree latitude, longitude is also known as the prime meridian. This is known as prime meridian. Prime meridian. This is prime meridian. So wherever you go in the total world, you'll see that the whole world, the time in the whole world starts from here and it goes up and down from there only. So this is the prime meridian, and after that this will be 10 degree east and 20 degree east, 30 degree east, 40 degree east. Similarly, 10 degree west, 20 degree west, and 30 degree west. So that how the time is being calculated with the help of this. So before I take this chapter ahead, let me tell you one thing. During the night time, when the time becomes like 00, so this is from at the night 12 o'clock in the night, 12 o'clock in the night, it starts AM and it continues till 11:59 morning. Okay, it is AM in the daytime, and from 12 o'clock in the afternoon it becomes PM. It goes up to 11:59 PM in the night. Got my point? रात को 12 बजे से लेके सुबह के 11:59 तक AM कहा जाता है एंटी मेरिडियन, यानी जो प्राइम मेरिडियन है, तो उस टाइम हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि अभी जो सूरज है इसके ऑपोजिट साइड में है, एंटी मेरिडियन है। फिर धरती घूमते 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 क्या होता है कि इसके बाद ये पोस्ट मेरिडियन में आ जाता है, PM आ जाता है, एंटी मेरिडियन AM, और इस लाइन के बाद सूरज तो अपनी जगह पे है, घूमते घूमते जब ये क्रॉस कर जाता है तो इधर पोस्ट मेरिडियन वाला टाइम आ जाता है। क्या होता है? कैलकुलेटिंग टाइम। प्लीज, places located in the different meridians have different local times. The difference between the local times of the two places can be easily calculated. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. As we all know, the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That is to cover the 360 degree of the longitude. So to cover 1 degree of the longitude, it will take 24 multiplied by 60 divided by 360 minutes for a 4 minute. For every 4 minutes, it means one latitude difference from here to here is 4 minutes. Places near the east, places in the east ahead in the time than the places in the west. So if this part, this is the eastern hemisphere, this part will take These are ahead. These are ahead. Suppose that India also falls in this part. So our time is ahead that of the America, that of the Britain. We are ahead of them. 4 minutes to have. So hence for each degree of the longitude, when we go 1 degree east, we have to add 4 minutes. For every single degree. Suppose that this is the total 360 degree. It means 180 latitudes are here. From here to here 180. From here to here 180. If we will go 1 degree of longitude east side, you have to add 4 minutes to that. It means suppose that it is 12 o'clock here on this point, in this place 12:04, in this place 12:08, in this place 12:12. 4 minutes will be keep on adding. You have to keep on adding 4 minutes from each passing degrees. Got my point? So Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of that of the GMT. What is GMT? Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time is there is a meridian which passes a place called Greenwich near London in Britain. That is the prime meridian. This is there here somewhere the Britain is, and this line goes from there. So this is known as the prime meridian. And from here onwards, if you are going this side, time will be 4 minutes for each degree will be less, and going towards the east side, 4 minutes will be added. Got my point? This will be subtracted, this will be added. Get it done. And the Indian Standard Time, how that is decided? The Greenwich Mean Time, you got that? The time which is at the prime meridian, that is the Greenwich time. Got my point? Another thing that I am going to tell you, that in India also there is a place called Mirzapur near Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh. That place is the longitude which passes through that place is known as Indian Standard Time. The Mirzapur has taken as a mid of our country. So from there we are following our time. If we will talk about India's difference timing, suppose in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, there is a difference of 2 hours in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. To balance that, to sort it out, they have taken Mirzapur as a standard time, and both Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat both are following the same time. So our Indian Standard Time is 530 minutes ahead of the GMT. Whatever the timing will be there in GMT, we will be ahead of that. Suppose that this is 12 o'clock here, so there will be it is 6:30 in the morning. We are 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the GMT. Time zones. The Earth is being divided into different time zones for our convenience. For our betterment and our convenience, we have decided that the time zone, there will be many time zones in the world. There are 24 time zones in 1 hour for each. Each time zone has difference of 1 hour. So now international dateline. What is international dateline? We know that the time is added by 4 minutes for every longitude while going eastward, and it is subtracted while going westward. जब हम लोग प्राइम मेरिडियन से इधर की ओर पूरब की ओर चलेंगे तो 4-4 मिनट हर डिग्री के साथ हम जोड़ते चलेंगे, और पश्चिम जाएंगे तो 4-4 मिनट हर डिग्री के साथ घटाते चलेंगे. ये तो समझ में आ गई बात. As such, there is a 24 hours, 360 into 40 is 1440 minutes. So difference at 180 degree latitude, which is to same as the 180 degree west longitude. It means if you take यहां से लेके और यहां का अंतर देखेंगे तो कितने का डिफरेंस है? 1440 मिनट का, 24 घंटे का डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे कोई देश है, वहां पे 16 तारीख का 12 बज रहा है, तो वहां पे ठीक 17 तारीख का 12 बज रहा होगा. यहाँ 17 तारीख होगा, यहाँ 16 तारीख होगा, क्योंकि 24 घंटे का डिफरेंस हो गया. 360 लॉन्गिट्यूड है और हर लॉन्गिट्यूड का वैल्यू 4 मिनट का 360 into 4 = 440. सो यहाँ से यहाँ का डिफरेंस कितना हो जा रहा है हमारा? यहाँ से यहाँ का डिफरेंस हो जाएगा लगभग 24 घंटे का. इसलिए जब हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाते हैं, पास कर जाता है, तो एक दिन जोड़ दिया जाता है कैलेंडर में, डेट लाइन में एक दिन का, अगर हमारे यहाँ सपोज दैट आप देखते भी होंगे 31 दिसंबर की शाम को देखेंगे इंडिया में शाम का 5 बज रहा है, न्यूजीलैंड ने हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मना लिया, रात 12 बज चुका वहां पे। उसी तरह से कहीं पे आज जैसे भारत में मान लीजिए 29 तारीख है, तो कहीं पे ऐसा भी जगह है जहां पे 28 तारीख हो रही होगी, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से चलता है दुनिया। टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम एन इमेजिनरी लाइन कॉल्ड द इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन वॉज क्रिएटेड। It is more or less same as the 180 degree latitude, but not a straight line. It is not a straight line. Got my point? You have to remember, and there are some methods given to find out when the longitude is given. These formulas you have to remember and just write down in the fair copy. Send it to me in the group. 121 page number. You have to send it. Make A, B, C. Chapter concludes. Thank you. Have a nice day.